welcome. What's going on? I'm back. What's up, guys? TECHTOSH coming at you guys with another video. A little delayed on this product. We're gonna do a quick first impressions with this guy right here. This is the Anker 737. This was something that I purchased on Prime Week. I know Prime Week, we're way past that. Planned on making this sooner, but it was wedding week when that all happened. So nonetheless, I got the Anker 737. Now, there's a few stipulations on why I would recommend this to somebody. Now, this is a 24,000 milliamp battery pack, so it is a big battery pack, but that's not why I would recommend this to you. So if you're someone who has a cell phone or maybe even like some other small gadgets like earbuds and stuff like that, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this device for you, even though it's still a cool device if you did have those. But I would more so recommend this for someone who wants something a little more beefier to be powered, such as like a laptop, or in my situation, grab it real quick, the Steam Deck. So the Steam Deck was my #1 reason for getting the Anker 737. Now there's a lot of other options out there for if you want a battery pack for whether it's for just day-to-day use or if you want something for a powerhouse use, which is why I got it. So as you can see on the front here, you do get a screen that will show you a couple bit of stats. First thing you're seeing here is the battery percentage. This is what is left on this guy. So we are sitting at 85%. In order to switch between the screens, you will get this little circular button right here on the right side of the screen. That's all there is as far as buttons on this device. The build quality is real nice. It's a high quality looking power bank. It doesn't look cheap in any kind of way, and it definitely feels sturdy. Again, this is not gonna be something you're gonna want to carry around in your pocket. Of course, you're gonna want something a little bit smaller, even something like this being a little bit flatter. You can carry something like that with you. This is for like traveling. Someone you're going in hotels, you're traveling around on a plane, in a car. Maybe you just want to be in your house and not be attached to the wall. Or if you're just out and about outside or whatnot, this is something that you're gonna want this for. This isn't gonna be for the daily user. I mean, it can be used for daily, but you're not gonna want to walk around with this in your pocket unless you got like some bag and you got this in your bag, you got the cords coming out. I don't know. However you want to utilize this crazy powerhouse. Again, I'll have this link down below. Everything that I talk about will probably be linked down below. Again, all the links from Amazon are affiliate links, so they do contribute to the channel. I do appreciate any support from you guys. Again, I much appreciated. Now, as you can see, I have an array of stuff here on the table, just kind of show comparisons and just what you can do with the charger itself. Now, as you can see here on the right are some other battery banks, just for comparison purposes. Anker 737. Why this one stands out over all three of these is because one, it's expensive and it has, you know, a nice looking build. And then on top of that, you get some pretty cool techie stuff that, you know, maybe not everybody's gonna be into, but you can see the life cycle of your battery bank from the wattage, input, output, to the life cycle of the battery, which is still at 100% health. You got your temperature there. And then of course you got how many times this has screen on time. For the nerds out there that want to know that stuff, you have that there. Pretty cool. I like it. As you can see here, there's 3 different charging ports. So 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. These 2 bad boys are going to be your superchargers here. This is going to be able to charge up to 140 watts when charging one device. If you're charging with both USB-C ports, I believe it's 120 watts it'll be able to output, but nonetheless, it will charge everything you need for the most part. I'm going to show you some of the features here once you plug this in. So again, it doesn't matter which one for charging a device, but when you want to charge it, you got to make sure it is the top one. As you can see, it says input and output. So this is the one you're going to want to use when charging the actual power bank itself. But I'm going to show you guys here why I bought this and what this shows when you charge it. So again, I purchased this for my Steam Deck. This thing is a beast. I absolutely love this device. I have some videos on it if you want to check them out. I'll have them linked down below, from my first impressions to everything I have pimped out on here to the mods and all that stuff. But that's not about this video. Here I'm going to show you that I can charge this device while playing AAA games. Now, when it is charging, if you go over here back to the power bank, we're going to cycle through the screen here. Now, once you're on the battery screen where it shows what is left on the thing here, when you have a device plugged in, hopefully you guys can see it, you will be able to see the ports. So each of these ports are labeled C1, C2, and then A. So A is the USB-A port here, and then the C ports is the USB-C, so C1, C2. Now, with that, you will see what wattage is being outputted to what port or what device. So as you see, we only have one thing plugged in through C1, so the USB-C port 1, and then it will tell us what wattage is being outputted to that device. So right now, it is being outputted at 8.1 to 8.6 watts. And that's because we're on the home screen. We're not really doing anything intensive, but we're gonna start up a AAA title here. What game should we play? I guess we'll start up Hitman.
To it, we were just assets.
The one thing I want to show you is while you're playing something like a AAA title like Hitman, you will still be able to charge the device. So if it wasn't able to charge, you can see there at the top right, I do have the check while still gaming. You would get a warning that this is not able to charge while playing. Now I'm gonna demonstrate that here in a second. Obviously this won't have enough power to charge. This is a little dinky 10,000 milliamp for mostly for phones and like earbuds and stuff like that. So I am gonna use the USB C port here, which is the more powerful output. We'll push the button to activate the charge. And then boom, right away, as you can see, it says slow charger STEAMDECK is connected to a slow charge below the recommended rating. So this is the message you're gonna get while gaming on a battery bank that can't output a strong enough wattage to charge the device while gaming. So again, any battery bank will work on the STEAMDECK. The whole point of this device for me specifically is to charge while gaming and be on the go and have a large amount of battery in here, 24,000 milliamps. Again, this will be able to be charged at 140 watts as well if you want to fill this back up. Probably gonna want to purchase yourself some type of wall power brick to charge the device a little bit faster. This is the Anker 736 Charge Nano 2 100 watt wall brick there, as you can see. Now this will give you 100 watts output with the USB-C ports, and then I got myself one of their 5 series cables. Some of the other cheaper cables and USB-C cables that I had weren't capable of that, so that's something also to take in mind when purchasing a USB-C cable. Make sure it is capable of the high output. I can show you exactly how much this thing is pretty much capable of outputting. Now this says it has a maximum of 100 watts. Now that is always going to vary based upon, like I said, what ports you're using and obviously how many devices you have plugged in. But I want to test something out because I obviously I just got this product, I don't know. So we're gonna plug this in. I have a little cable right here. We're gonna plug this guy right into here, and then what we're gonna do is charge this guy. The cool thing with, like I said, with the 737 is I can see what the input and output of any charge is on this device, and that's gonna let us know what this is fully capable of. Now the wattage is obviously gonna be divided out, so it's not gonna hit 100 watts, but we're gonna find out. And again, this is a Anker cable, so it is gonna be able to be compatible with both devices to provide the most output. It looks like we are hitting anywhere from 87 to close to 89 watts. Why I would recommend this if you have these devices is look how fast this thing charges. You can literally see the battery tick as we're sitting here monitoring it. Definitely a fast charge, a lot faster than any 20 watt or 45 watt charge you'll have at home for your phones. So this is definitely worth the price if you're looking to charge multiple devices, or if you're looking to charge your power banks such as the Anker 737, which is my situation. This will charge pretty much everything this will charge, but this is great because it's portable and you can charge all your devices on the go. Anker 736, Anker 737, get yourself an Anker cable. I'll have this link down below. And you can charge all your devices here. Tablets, Steam Deck, switches, Anker power banks, all that good stuff. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys did like it. If you did like it, hit that thumbs up for all types of tech content. But sorry if you're looking for a niche type of thing. I'm gonna go all over the place. So if you're into that type of stuff, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I do appreciate it. Y'all stay nerdy. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.